Welcome back friends, and in this Android mobile, suppose I am locking it, okay, and now I am unlocking it. See the animation effect. If you want to have this wallpaper animation effect, or suppose I am plugging the charger cable, see what is happening. Okay, if you want to have this type of animation effect in your mobile, then what you need to do, I am going to tell you in this video. Please watch this video till the end, and after that, if you like, please do consider to subscribe this channel. So not wasting much of your time, just go to the Play Store and here just type this Pika Super Wallpaper, and then I have already downloaded it. Just open it. Okay, I will uninstall it and then I will show you. Okay, so I have uninstalled. Now go install will come. It will take some time and I will wait. So now it has been downloaded and installation is in progress. Wait for some time. So now I will open it. Open. After opening, it will ask for some permissions. Give it, then it will be checked. Now just it will ask for that money, then this interface will come. Go now. This will go to the another one. We will go back and again I will cancel it. Okay, now this will come. Set now. Now it will ask again for just these are the super wallpapers I have mentioned you and which I have shown you. It will be also there. So first we need to uninstall it. Suppose I am installing this. This is unlocked already. Suppose I am this. So unlock it. For this, it has been successfully unlocked. You have to unlock first. Suppose I am unlock it. Insufficient gold coins. It needs gold coins, so I have not gold coins. So just I am coming to this. Okay, now it will show like that. It will take some time, and after that you have to give this apply permissions. Okay, apply it. So if these permissions are not set, the application will not work properly. So set now, floating window. It will go here and just go to the Pika, give the permission, go back. Now again apply. Okay, it is asking for home screen or both. So set wallpaper. I am going to set for both home and lock screen. It now set successfully. Okay, one video will come, just leave it. Now it has been there. Unlock it. See the animation effect, and when we will put this charger effect. Now we will try for the another one. We will go here, just back it. We have to watch this video. So after watching that video, we will again, suppose we want to set this, apply. Are you sure to change? Yes, I am sure. Yes, set successfully. Okay, then a video will again come, because this is a free version. This will last for some time, and close it. See, apply. Yes, successfully. Okay, then again video will come. Close it. Then now see what has happened. See, this has come. We will lock it, again unlock it. See the animation effect. So this is the animation effect you will get. And when you will put charger, see what is happening. See, this type of effect will come. So this is all what I wanted to tell you. You can get 10, 15 plus super wallpapers in that app. So if you like the video, please do consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.